Good afternoon, guys. I hope you're doing really well. I'm super excited to share this video with you guys today because I've actually been getting a lot of requests on my Instagram to share more style videos on YouTube, and I'm definitely gonna make a lot more of an effort to do that over the next few months. So let's just say this is the first of many style videos that I'm really hoping to share with you guys. Today's video is in collaboration with W.CONCEPT. I've been shopping online at W.CONCEPT for like quite a few years now. They are definitely like my go-to destination for like Korean brands and just like cool, unique brands that I haven't actually heard of before. If I'm looking for like a new season piece from say like The Open Product or Zoe or Nothing Written, I know they'll always have a really good selection. They just like make shipping to Australia really easy as well. Usually it's either free or like significantly reduced, especially if you spend like over a certain quota, and I typically always do. So yeah, I love W.CONCEPT. This is the first time that I'm working with them in this capacity, and I'm really excited to be working with them. So anyways, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 different bags that are all available to shop now online. I'll be showing you the different ways that I'm styling these kind of bags, the different like occasions that I'd wear these bags to, and you know, just all the rest of it. First bag actually came in quite a few different colors, but I decided to go for this cream color because I figured it would go with like the things that I usually wear the most. Probably already worn it like 3 or 4 times, and I only got it last week, but it's just one of those bags that you can really easily just like throw a bunch of things in and run out the door. I can fit multiple cameras in there, like wallets, phones, like all the things that I like to carry around with me are all very easily accessible from this bag. I love that it is fully lined, and it's also like black inside as well, which I think again just like goes with a lot of my outfits. The padded stitching pattern on the outside is gorgeous and actually kind of reminds me of that COS bag that like everyone was really obsessed with like a year ago or so. Although I remember that bag just being like so big, and I feel like it wasn't actually that functional in that size, whereas this one's just like the perfect size to just, you know, wear on a daily basis. So yeah, we love this. Going in with another tote style bag. This one is from The Often. I get questions all the time about what bag I like to use for like my laptop or if I'm like working from a cafe, that kind of thing. And I do like to use tote bags typically. I'll usually use like a simple white canvas tote bag or just pretty much whatever I've got around the house because my laptop doesn't really fit in majority of my like regular handbags. But now that I have this, I feel like I'm actually going to be using this one a lot more. I love that it is leather at the bottom and also that it's like this rectangle shape. It's just giving the bag a lot more structure, and also would just like make me feel like my laptop's a little bit more protected when I'm carrying it around using this tote bag. The tote bag also comes with this little pouch as well, which I think is really cute. If you don't want to carry your wallet and stuff, you can just put a few of your cards or like your phone or whatever in there and chuck this into the tote bag. Also love that it has the 2 strap options, so you can obviously use this longer one to carry it on your shoulder, or if you just want to, you know, be on the move, you can use the shorter one. If you've been following me for a while, you will know that the Zoe Tony black bag is actually one of my favorite bags that I have in my wardrobe. I have worn it so much over the last couple of years, and when I saw that a Zoe came out with this really cute, smaller, like rounded, more petite half moon version, I just had to have it. I'm honestly just so happy that I've added this bag to my wardrobe because I do not have anything in this color, and I've already found that I'm pairing it back with so many different pieces that I already own. Finding that it looks really cute with my more minimal neutral outfits, but it also looks really good paired back with blue. As you guys know, I don't like to wear much color, but I'd probably put like blue and sometimes green as like somewhat of a neutral in my wardrobe. Pairing this like burnt burgundy sort of shade with blue is really doing things for me. You can also really easily dress this bag up if you wanted to wear it with like a dress in the evening, some heels, that kind of thing, but also equally pair it down with just some trousers, a shirt, and some loafers. The next bag that I want to show you is from the brand Demariel. I think that's how you pronounce it. This has got to be one of the most beautifully shaped bags. I just love how structured it is, and also the color. It's sort of like a rich, darkish tan tone. It's just so beautiful. And again, actually quite a versatile color. It could easily be paired back with blue or green or whatever. But for me personally, I love to style colors like this with cream, white, beige, or even like a dark blue or black denim. I really love this outfit, and especially paired back with this blazer, which is also from W.CONCEPT. I think it is a very chic, easy go-to outfit. I was really excited to add this cream off-white crossbody bag to my collection. This one's also from the brand Demurial, because I think I only have one white bag in my wardrobe at the moment, and that is the Miu Miu Wonder, and I wear that one all the time. So I knew that getting a second white bag, I would definitely wear it all the time. This one's also a little bit more casual than the Miu Miu. It can definitely really easily be paired back with sneakers, with jeans, trousers, oversized t-shirts, or even just like an oversized leather jacket, which is what I've done here. It has a cute little clasp in the front, and it's a really good size, which I think is important for crossbody bags. I love that, again, it's got like that squared bottom there, which just like adds a bit more structure to the bag, especially when it's like sitting on your table when you're like having dinner or whatever. And I just think overall it's very beautiful. Next up, I want to show you these two black bags. I'm honestly obsessed with both of them. I have so many black bags in my wardrobe, and I will never stop buying or adding black bags to my wardrobe because I just know that they all get worn. The first one is so cool. I'm obsessed with the opening of this bag. So it's got like a magnet in the front, and you just sort of open it like this. It feels very sleek, very unique. Don't really have any other bags that open this way. Similar to the Zoe Tony bag, it has like a half moon shape, but this one doesn't have the clasps on the side, so it's much more structured. This is honestly just such a beautiful bag. I love how minimal the hardware is on it. It's definitely something that I would wear when I've got a lot of other things going on in my outfit, and I want to keep things really minimal and really simple with my bag. This next one is such a cool shape. It's from the brand Mud Sherwood. I think this shape is called like bowling bag or something like that. I know it's very on trend at the moment. I saw it like across all the international runways that just happened during February. And I also don't have any bags in this shape. So again, was just excited to add it. I posted this bag on my Instagram a couple of times, and I've had a few questions about if it can fit really easily over your shoulder, and pretty much the answer to that is if you're wearing a bulky jacket or jumper, you can wear it, but it doesn't fit really comfortably, whereas if you're just wearing a singlet, it fits very comfortably. So do whatever you will with that information. I hope it helps. Overall, this is a great bag. I love the suede finish. It feels really chic, really classic, and definitely something I can see myself wearing a lot. This next bag is kind of more of like a little wallet chain purse, I guess is how I would describe it. This is the kind of bag that I'd wear on a night out when I don't want to bring my wallet. I just want to add a few things, maybe like a lip gloss, a couple of cards, and I'm happy to carry my phone. And this would definitely be the kind of bag that I would reach for. As you can see here, I've paired it with a more dressy outfit. I've added my Chanel slingbacks, a long, beautiful maxi black dress, and I think paired with this little purse, it's absolutely perfect. But if you're wanting a bag that just has like a little bit more space, you might want to opt for one of the other bags that I've shown you today. This next bag is the perfect example of a bag that I'd wear on a night out when I obviously want a little bit more space, but I still want something that's really chic and just sort of like a shorter strap, so it just feels a little bit more dressy. Again, I love the shape. These longer shape bags are definitely coming back in. I'm absolutely here for it because I love this shape bag. It feels very 90s, very cool, and I think pairs really well with my personal style. This one has a magnet close. I wanted to show you two different ways that I would style this bag. The first way would be for a more dressy occasion, so keeping the dress and shoes the same as the last outfit. I've just added in a winter coat. I think this outfit is so chic and definitely something I would wear for like dinner and drinks and that kind of thing with my friends on the weekend. The second outfit is much more casual. I've paired it with some sneakers, some white trousers, a cream jumper. As you can see, the colors pair so well together with this bag. It's just sort of just like breaks up the look a little bit, and yeah, I love it. The final bag that I want to show you is this beautiful black leather duffel bag, which is from the brand I don't know how to pronounce it, but of course everything will be linked below. This bag is so beautiful. It is definitely something I would take on a weekend trip away. It is so minimal. It has barely any hardware, which again, I just do love a low hardware bag. I find it's a bit more versatile with my everyday outfits. This bag is obviously a great size and again would be perfect to put your laptop in if you're gonna like work from a cafe or go to uni or just go to work or whatever you like to do in your day. And yeah, I think overall it is a really beautiful structure, shape and size. Anyways, I will see you guys very soon in the next episode of Melbourne Diaries or pretty much just whatever video comes next. But otherwise, have a lovely day and yeah, toodles!